Welcome back to CashFlowCamp, the hub for transforming your financial journey. I'm Don Swanson, and today we're diving into a powerful topic that can reshape your financial destiny, the mindset of financial success. Get ready to shift your perspective and embark on the path to building wealth. But before we dive in, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for more empowering content. Imagine your mindset as the steering wheel of your financial vehicle. It's more than just numbers, it's your outlook on money. A positive, growth-focused mindset can supercharge your decision and open doors to better opportunities. Let's unlock the incredible potential of a success-oriented mindset. Let's break down the barriers that hold us back. Limiting beliefs. These are those quiet thoughts that say, I'm not good with money, or I'll never achieve financial freedom. Recognizing these beliefs is the first step in dismantling them. Reflect on your beliefs and see how they've shaped your financial journey. Say hello to the abundance mindset, a mindset of possibilities. Instead of dwelling on scarcity, it focuses on opportunities. So how do you nurture this mindset? Begin by appreciating what you have and using the success of others as inspiration for your journey. Venture into the unknown, where the greatest opportunities reside. Successful individuals don't avoid risk, they calculate it. Think of risks as stepping stones towards your goals. Look at real-life examples of calculated risks that led to exceptional rewards. And that concludes our exploration of the mindset of financial success. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality. By shifting your perspective, you're opening the door to a world of financial potential. If this message resonated with you and you're ready to embrace a mindset tailored for wealth building, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends ready to redefine their financial outlook. And of course, subscribe for more empowering content guiding you on your journey to financial mastery. This is Don Swanson from CashFlowCamp signing off. Keep evolving your mindset. Keep aiming higher and keep achieving greatness.